Hi guys, we're going to be looking at long multiplication today using the written method. We'll use the example of 489 times 63. So we're going to start by doing our columns. You don't always need to do this, but it's good to start off by looking at them. Now, because it's a 3 by 2 digit multiplication, you're probably going to get into your 10,000s columns. So we're going to put our 489 in under the hundreds, tens and ones, then to put our 63 in under the tens and ones. Remember to multiplication sign so that you don't forget which method you're doing throughout the method. So we're going to start by looking at 3 times 9, that's 27. So you're going to write your 7 in your ones column and your 2 is going to go into your tens column. Then you're going to look at 3 times 8, that value of 8 is actually 80. So you've got 240 and you're going to add that 20 that you had from earlier, that gives you 260. So you're going to put your 6 into your tens column and your 2 into your hundreds column. Then you're going to look at 3 times 4, which is actually 3 times 400, so that's 1200, and you're going to add the 200 from earlier, so that gives you 1400. So your 4 is going to go into your hundreds column, and your 1 is going to go into your thousands column. Now you've finished using that 3, so you can cross that out, and you can cross out the little numbers that you were carrying over in that first part of the method. And now you need to look at your 6. Remember, the value of that 6 is actually 60, so it's 10 times bigger. So if you put a placeholder in the ones column, that'll show you that everything that you're looking at now is going to be 10 times bigger. So we're going to start by looking at 6 times 9. Remember, it's 60 times 9, so that's 540. So your 4 needs to go into your tens column, and your 5 needs to go into your hundreds column. Then we're going to look at 6 times 8. So that's 60 times 80 is 4,800. And you're going to add the 500 that you had from earlier, so that's 5,300. So your 3 is going to go into your hundreds column, and your 5 is going to go into your thousands column. Now we're going to look at 6 times 4, so that's 60 times 400, so that's 24,000, and you're going to add the 5,000 that you had from earlier, that gives you 29,000. So your 9 is going to go into your thousands column, and your 2 is going to go into your 10,000s columns. Now what you've actually done is 489 times 60, and then 489 times 3. So you need to recombine that, you need to put them back together, so you're going to add those two numbers that you've come up with. So you've got 7 add 0 is 7, then you've got 6 add 4 is 10, so your 0 is going to go into the tens column, and your 1 can go here, it can go here, or it can actually go wherever you want it to go, but it probably makes more sense to keep it somewhere in the hundreds column. I usually put it here. So we've got now 4 add 3 add 1, that gives you 8. Then we've got 1 add 9, that gives you 10, so you're going to put your placeholder in and carry your 1. And then you've got your 2 add 1 is 3. So the answer is going to be 30,807. Now what I'd like you to do is use that method to have a go at these multiplication questions. So you've got some 3 by 2 digit multiplication there, you've got some 4 by 2 digit multiplication there as well. And for question number 9, I want you to see if you can work out how to use the multiplication method to solve this division question. Once you've done that, or if you want to share any other work, then ask an adult to help you get in touch with us, and that can be done via Facebook on facebook.com/newbieprimary, Twitter @newbieprimary, or you can email your work into us using the email address that was given to you in your home learning pack. So that's 5 homework or 6 homework. Have fun, stay safe, and thank you for watching.